Good morning. It is day 3 out, 3 in Florida. Currently we are eating breakfast that the hotel provided downstairs. Reagan is trying to find her mom's phone. Avery's over there chilling, eating breakfast. Oh, you can't zoom in, never mind. Last night after dinner, we went live for a little bit on Instagram. And then we watched some Friends. And, what else? Oh yeah, while Reagan was sleeping, she told me not to cut my face. That was interesting. And, oh yeah. And today we're just going down to the beach. So fingers crossed that the weather is warm enough.
So my parents are signing some papers for some things, and we came to the coffee shop. We got chocolate muffin. Avery tell us what you got.
Snicker bar.
You gotta be more specific than that. What is it?
It has
Talk louder.
coffee in it,
Coffee, caramel,
and some type of chocolate.
and chocolate. The latte.
Such as foam.
And then I got dark and white, maybe. It's dark chocolate and white chocolate. And then I got it ice. Not ice. No, that's okay. Black and white is what it's called. And what is it? Oh, we got it like a frappuccino.
Hi guys.
So,
Take it away.
we were in the coffee shop last time I talked to you because my parents were signing these papers for this, like, I don't know, it's like this resort program thing that we have, and they were like doing something with it. But now we've been sitting in the office that they've been in for like
2 hours? Well, we haven't been here for 2 hours. We've been here for like an hour maybe.
Yeah.
They've been in here for 2 hours, and right now they're in some other room doing something.
Yeah, so now they're like in like this room with a camera and everything, and they have to like, I don't know, do some sort of closure thing. So hopefully that means we're almost done. And then we're going, I don't even know, can't remember.
I don't even know what we're doing now.
And we might go to the beach finally, but like we're not like going to the beach. We're
Because
just
it's
like,
cold.
yeah.
Why is Florida cold? It should be like
So-
75 degrees.
Yeah.
Bathing suits in the sand.
And from behind comes a small boat.
Yeah.
That's where we're staying. Minus what's that called?
Bulldozer?
Bulldozer.
Yes.
We
Follow the yellow footprint road.
are following the yellow footprints to get to our new room. It is not with the normal hotel. Well, I mean it is, but it's like a separate section, I guess. So we're following the yellow to get there. And I have my styling hat on that I had to buy because I forgot mine in the room because we didn't know we were going to the beach. And my head burns, so yeah. But it was too cold to even burn, so it's fine. But it was fun. So it's fine. But it was fun. Live here? Private residence. It says there's an elevator right there. So there's only 10 of these rooms. 10 of these rooms. And is it? There we go. Here's our stuff.
Hey.
Ooh.
Oh.
Our stuff.
What's next?
Oh yeah, look at that beautiful view. Oh. 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 I'm ready to see my little bit. I'm coming.
Okay. And there's the water. Fun. So we are still high. I thought we were going to be on the ground. Yay. Here's the door. Let's see. They lost me.
How's your room, Avery? You alright in here?
Oh no, I don't need to go home.
I don't need a room next time.
It looks like the same floor plan.
Maybe you should
bathroom.
sit down at the bottom.
No.
Oh, Avery.
Oh,
Avery.
Hey.
4 rooms, 4 beds.
4 beds?
4 beds.
Yes, 2 sets of
1,
bunk
2,
beds.
3, 4.
Okay, Avery. So pretty dope.
Is that light? Can you adjust that light right by your bed?
Okay.
Oh, so you can read.
What we got here?
They
Look,
have
don't
a
get
great
too
view of
cramped
the
in here.
beach.
Wait, I thought we were getting 2 beds.
Look, the beach is so pretty.
Huh?
Nice.
I said if one of y'all gets too cramped in that.
Oh
room,
my
Don't sleep in one of the
face.
bunk beds. Wood floors.
Oh my. Wait, is this your room or is this our room?
This is ours.
Oh, good. Where's the master then? Okay, so it looks pretty similar to the other one, but it looks
This is the
like
one
brighter.
with, longer nights in there. That's good.
Mm-hmm. Wait. Oh. Wait. It's a smaller bed.
Yeah, it is a small bed.
I thought we were supposed to have 2 doubles.
I don't know my girlfriend. I don't know.
Hey, we have our own patio though. Looks like. Nope, we don't have our own patio. We have to share. Okay. Smaller bed. But we have a bathtub. Ta-da!
We are now at lunch. It is 3:52. Prime lunchtime food.
No habanero sauce. I don't think they put cheese on it, do they? Didn't say on the menu. I don't want cheese.
Lemonade and rinse.
Oh no, not that guy.
Oh yeah.
Chicken tenders.
We are now trying out the bunk beds.
So
Thumbs
this
up.
is my room.
Thumbs up. Big thumbs up. Feeling comfortable.
Hi vlog. Okay, so when was the last time we talked to them? Dinner. We came back. We
Lunch.
did nothing. Yeah, we didn't eat dinner. Lunch at 4 p.m. Your face is slightly red,
My face is slightly red.
like pink. I don't know if it's because you're hot or like.
Did I get sunburned?
No. Vlog. I got sunburnt. Anyway.
Dayton's
Okay.
you're not in.
Okay, now Dayton can be in it. This is our friend Dayton. This is Dayton.
He got his license today, so go Cougs.
Woohoo!
Which
Got my
means-
owl in the back.
Which means we're gonna be getting food pretty soon.
Yeah, he's gonna bring us food, right?
Burrito Chiefs.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Word
We
of
have
wisdom.
Our
What?
leftover chicken from lunch-ish.
It's really good.
Um,
Their honey mustard's amazing. So is their buffalo sauce,
Their
and
honey
so is
mustard
their
is
French
so good.
fries, and so was their pickle. The inside of it, at least.
Okay. Chicken salsa. Eh.
Yeah, the chicken sauce was there.
But we came back. We did nothing. Then we watched that new show called Rise, which is really good, and ate popcorn and fruit. And now we're here, FaceTiming Dayton, and I slept shower. Yay! Bye,
Should
Dayton.
I do a post shower tonight?
Yes.
Yes.
Say bye to the
Alright,
vlog.
what song?
Say
Give
bye.
me a song for a post shower.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye vlog.
There you go.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
There you go.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Ah.
Do it for Dayton.